Hi, it's Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics on the final day of Productronica 2025, and it's been a busy week. I'm joined by Chris from SolderStar. How are you?
I'm all good, thank you very much. Always glad to be at Productronica, and also always glad when it's the final day.
It's a long show, but it's like meeting up with family, isn't it? There's so many familiar faces.
It's so important to SolderStar. This is where we get all the feedback from everybody. Obviously, we do sell things direct, but we also sell via distribution, and it's their customers that come on the stand with the distributors, which basically give us the next projects for the years ahead.
Yeah, that's great. And I guess that, speaking to your customers, speaking to your distributors is how you guys grow and learn and, improve products and services.
Yes, a prime example is at this show currently. We have our new shuttle designs, our new verification tools, and that's what we've been shown, and it's based on the feedback that we had from the previous Productronica that we've created them.
Wow, okay. And just remind me the importance of verification.
Right, so often you find every customer we've got will always profile their equipment, their process, but they're usually just using temperature. The difference we have with our verification tools is we now see these processes as a full environment. If you think of the manufacturing oven these days, the reflow oven, it's got nitrogen in it, it's got vacuum stages in it, it's got conveyor changes. All these are processes that affect how people are building equipment. So it's important that you check them. With the verification tools we use now, not only do we do the temperature, we also do vibration, we also measure the vacuum level if they have a vacuum oven. On top of things like that, nitrogen. We're monitoring the usage. It's better for the environment to make sure everything's set correctly, and no one really knows because they've never been able to check it before.
Yeah, okay. So it's a environmental benefit, it's a safety benefit, is it a time and a benefit as well?
Of course, checking the actual state of the oven is so much faster than checking a product. So if you create the product profile at MPI, if the oven, you check it every couple of days, every week, if that remains stable, you don't have to do the product.
Okay.
If you do the product, it requires engineering time. It requires an upskilled employee to do it. With a verification, you just put the logger onto a special pallet and you send it on its way and download it.
Right, okay.
All the operator sees is a pass and carries on producing.
Okay.
Though once in 3 months that they see it fail, then they get engineering involved, and of course the engineer then has all the previous benchmarks to understand what's changed in their oven.
Yeah.
Why has it gone different? They can pick it up straight away before too much production's been done.
That's brilliant. That's really good. So yeah, they've got all the information that you've been checking with, and yeah, it just makes their job a lot easier. So I guess obviously having new products on your stand, you've had a lot of engagement with people. You've had a lot of conversations. Have you had any new ideas for what was going to happen at the next Productronica?
Ooh, again, this is always a loaded question. Yes, of course, we always look to stay ahead of the game. So for us, it's very important to be the technological leader in our market, and that's what we aim to do. Things will always move forward for us, and we're driven by the industry. So
yeah.
For us, it's all about understanding the processes that customers are moving to next, where they're looking to go,
yeah.
and building products for them. SolderStar, we specialise in electronics. We don't do profilers, verification tools for any other industry. So it's important that we monitor what the machine manufacturers are doing, we monitor what's coming next, and we're ready to deal with the consequences of whatever that is so that customers can check their processes.
That's fantastic. That's great. It's really good that you're engaging to that point that you can grow and develop all the time. So 2 years' time, we'll be sitting here. You'll be telling me all about the latest improvements, I'm sure.
And I will always look forward to it.
That's great. Thank you so much for joining us, Chris.
Thank you for your time.
Cheers.